Hi, this is Alan Cowell, and I'm delighted that REAPS asked me to come out and do some training. We're going to do an evening meeting, and then we're also going to have a Saturday workshop, and I want to talk about that just a little bit. We're going to talk about how to get massive funds out there, so critical to your success. 12 benefits of private money, and how to get the lender to the closing table, so critical. And also, how to buy 5 houses a month with zero marketing and very, very, very little work. It'll blow you away. And how to get your funding in order. High likelihood your funding is out of order. I'm going to show you how to get it in order. It'll shock you. And then using IRAs, we'll touch on that. And with this training, you can get a lightning fast jumpstart into the world of private money. This is a key thing for me to teach folks how to understand the compliance rules out there. I hired an SEC attorney to research your state. When he got done, he said, "Hey, I want to thank you." I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Well, you paid for my new house, and I want to thank you for that." You know, that's what I had the dedication, moral obligation to you to make sure that you got the facts. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I can teach it. You need to show up for the Saturday workshop so I can train you on that. I'll cover some success stories, real estate deals, and a very unique program I call my 3-touch rules. I'm the one that brought this to our market, and it is a very unique way to attract private lenders. We'll talk about the downside of banks and much, much more. Look, private lenders allow you to take your business to any level that you want. Look, it's going to be January 27th. Go from 9 to 5, and it will rock. I'm looking forward to seeing you. To your wealth.